Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to use TinkerCAD to make Arduino control an LED to blink on and off. Okay, let us start by bringing the Arduino onto the board. Yes. Next we need only four things. We need a breadboard. Let's bring the breadboard also in. We need an LED, and because LED needs to have less voltage, so we will use an LED resistance also, and 1K resistance is fine. Okay, now because the Arduino is controlling the LED, it is basically giving output to the LED, and the output is going to be in the form of digital. Why? Because it is only on and off. If it had been increasing the brightness or decreasing the brightness, then we would have said, okay, it is um, uh, in the form of analog. So how are we going to do? I can use any of the pins from 0 to 13. So going to use pin number 7. So let's connect pin number 7 because it is a positive. Let's connect it to positive. Let's create positive. Next is on the cathode. On the negative side, let's connect it. Let's make it a little beautiful. So I'll make it, and this needs to be connected to ground. Yes, it is now connected to ground. Let's connect it to ground now. Okay. Now the circuit is complete. We have connected pin number 7 to through the resistance to the LED to the anode of the LED. The cathode of the LED is connected to the ground. So that is all basically the connections that we need. The resistance of this is 1K, no problem. Let us start the coding now. And we need to understand pin number 7 and it is output. So first of all, let us bring it our coding system to text format. This is the structure which is inbuilt and it is already given. I'll remove everything from here and we'll go from scratch except for the structures of the two functions we need. Okay, the first thing that we create now, I like to create is the variables. And because I'm connecting pin number 7 to it, so I have connected pin number 7 to it. So that means I've stored pin number 7 over there. In the setup function, I basically need to tell the computer that LED pin has been set up as an output now for output. So that means Arduino is going to give output to the LED pin. Okay, so how are we going to tell? We'll say pin mode, and I'm going to say pin mode LED pin is in output mode. Okay. Now in the loop, I'm going to make the program switch the LED on and off. So how do I switch it on? By switching it on, actually, I mean I need to supply some current onto pin number 7. How do I pass? We will use a digital write. Okay. Digital write is going to give output to pin number 7. So what do I tell the computer? I'll say LED pin. I'm saying digital write, uh, use LED pin to give a high voltage. So that means this is going to give a high. A high normally means a 5-volt current is supplied over there. Okay. Next is I want to delay it. So let us delay because I don't want the on and off to be together. It has to be in with the difference of 1 second. Okay. So I'll now switch it off. How do I switch it off? I'll say digital write. And what am I going to switch off? That is LED pin, and I'll write low here. So when I write low, actually means I'm giving a 0 volt here. Okay, now I'm going to delay it again. Why? Because if I don't give it a delay, the loop is going to go from from low to high immediately. So the low will never happen. Okay, so I need a delay after this also. I hope this part of the program is clear. I have created a variable with pin number 7, and I have specified that LED pin is in output mode. I'm going to give output to the LED. And how do I switch it on? I say digital write. Why digital write? Because I am writing a digital signal to it. So digital write. If it had been analog signal to it, I would have written analog write. So digital write LED pin. LED pin is actually 7, and comma high means I am switching it on. And after a delay of 1 second, I have switched it off, and again a delay of 1 second. Let us now run this program and see how things happen. Okay. Let us start the simulation. So when I start the simulation, it will now, yes, it has started switching on and off, on and off, on and off. I hope this makes it very clear to you. All right. Now, let us experiment on this a little bit. Suppose I wanted to change this pin from pin number 7 to pin number 8. Can I change this? Yes. 7 is also a digital pin, 8 is also a digital pin. But what do I need to change in the program? I just need to change the value of LED pin to 8. Now everything changes now. All the LED pins now are actually pin number 8. So I don't need to worry about changing 8 at all those places now. So when I run the program, run the code, it performs again, no problem. Let's experiment a little bit more. 7 and 8 were purely digital pins. Can I connect it to 9 and work? Should it work? It should work, because it doesn't matter. N is pin number 9 is a PWM pin, but it still is basically a digital pin. Is it working? Yes, it is working. All right. I think we have done a little experimenting also with this. We have noticed that to change the value of pins at all these places, I just need to change the value of the variable, and everywhere it changes. So basically, there is no problem about it. All right. I hope this is very clear. In the next program, we will learn a little bit more about coding. Till then, goodbye.